Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Chevy Malibu tail light. First, let's gather our essential tools. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and the correct replacement bulb for your Malibu. Always make sure your vehicle is completely turned off and the parking brake is firmly engaged before you begin any work. This simple repair is straightforward and can usually be completed in under 20 minutes, saving you a trip to the mechanic. Now, let's get to the tail light assembly itself. Open your trunk and look for the two retaining screws that secure the tail light housing. These are usually Phillips head screws, so grab your screwdriver and carefully remove them. Once the screws are out, gently pull the entire tail light assembly straight back, away from the vehicle. It might feel a little snug, but avoid prying it, as you don't want to damage the clips. With the tail light assembly detached, you'll see the bulb sockets. Identify the one with the burnt-out bulb. To remove it, simply twist the socket counterclockwise about 1/4 of a turn and pull it straight out. Then, gently pull the old bulb directly out of the socket. Be careful not to touch the glass of the new bulb with your bare hands, as oils can shorten its lifespan. Insert the new bulb firmly into the socket. After inserting the new bulb, twist the socket clockwise to secure it back into the tail light assembly. Carefully push the entire assembly back into its position on the vehicle, aligning the clips. Reinstall the two retaining screws you removed earlier. Before closing the trunk, turn on your vehicle and test the new tail light to ensure it's working perfectly. Also, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Make sure all your lights are functioning correctly for safe driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.